we are back. It's been a couple weeks.
Yay!
With the weather and the holidays, we just thought we'd go ahead and start off this week with our Keto Kitchen episode on a Friday. What we are doing today is we're going to do peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. The idea came to me to do it this week because this past weekend my girls were dying for something, just a cookie of some sort. They just wanted a sweet. I was like, okay, well, I want one too, but I obviously did not want to go get an Oreo, or maybe I did, but I wasn't going to. And so I was like, well, let me see what I got. So I just whipped together some peanut butter cookies, and what we are going to be doing today is showing you what we were doing in addition. My sister wanted to add in the chocolate chips with it as well. Because
who doesn't know? Really?
I know. She has these. Okay, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's Lily's. It's sugar-free chocolate chips, but it's sweetened with stevia. So there's no sugar alcohol, so it's not gonna mess up your stomach at all. Which is really awesome because I'm telling you, sugar-free chocolate, that'll get you it really easily. Okay, here are the ingredients that we're gonna use. Right here we have a half a cup.
Oh, that's a cup.
Oh, sorry. It's a cup. Stir peanut butter creamy. It's great value. It only has one net carb.